Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Ubisoft email without email. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to go to ubisoft.com/help. And now once we're in this section of their website, under common topics, go ahead and click on change your email. And then I might want you to log in. Log in if you can. If you can't, go ahead and click on can't log in. And then under can't log in, where it says I have email issues, click onto that link and that's going to open up a new web page here. So now if we scroll down, it's going to be some troubleshooting email issues on your Ubisoft account. So you want to complete the following troubleshooting steps here. So you can get access. So if you're unable to access the email address associated with your Ubisoft account, please reach out to your email service provider for support on how to recover access to your email account. If you're not receiving Ubisoft emails or communications, please check all email folders, including your spam, junk, or promotions. And they do recommend whitelisting the official Ubisoft email addresses, which is jotted here. If you're still having issues, and you've completed the above steps, what we need to do is please follow the steps to recover access to your Ubisoft account. So click on this link here. And then on this page, you can follow these steps here. But what I suggest is scrolling down and click on the Contact Us button. Then from here, you'll have Account Management and Security. Go ahead and click on that link. And now if we scroll down here, we want to select account management and security, then you need to select the subcategory. So I'll suggest doing other account issues, and then here put in this message box saying you would like to change your email without having an email address, or you've lost your email address for whatever reason. And now if you got any proof of purchases, you want to put in your Ubisoft username. So I'll just write this here. So you include your Ubisoft username, any old email addresses linked to account, and details like purchase history or recent games paid if you can. This helps verify your identity. And then also be prepared to provide account ownership. Ubisoft might ask for it. Purchase receipts, payment methods like last four digits of a card, original email address or addresses used, and your Ubisoft name, or any linked services like, for example, your PlayStation Network, Xbox, Steam. And then just simply wait for their reply, which will be within 24 to 72 hours. So I've just drafted something like this. I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to request assistance with updating the email address associated with my Ubisoft account. Unfortunately, I've no longer access to the email address currently linked to my account, and I'm unable to receive any communications or reset my account password. But here are the details I can provide to help verify my account. So your Ubisoft name, your old email address if known, old email address there, and any additional information, recent purchase, linked accounts, game played, etc. I'll greatly appreciate if you could assist me in recovering my account by updating the email address to a new one. If there's any additional information or documentation required for verification, please let me know and I'll be happy to provide it. Thank you for your time, etc, etc. Then obviously add files for proof of purchases, and then click on open case, and that's going to send that to them.